What's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video I'm going to show you how to randomly shuffle or randomize a list in Google Sheets. So for this example, I do have a sample list of names and I want to put them in a completely random order. So the first method you could do is randomize the range, and first you want to highlight the entire list that you want to randomize. So we have that selected and we want to right click anywhere inside the highlighted area, and then you want to click on View More Cell Actions and click on Randomize Range. And just like that, Google Sheets will shuffle your entire list into a random order. You could repeat this anytime you want a new random order. The other method you could do is use the random function. If you're interested in looking for random numbers and have a little more control, you can also use the rand function. One of the functions is just the equal sign rand and close. And we're just going to autofill it for the sake of the video. And this way will only give you a random number of 0 or 1. Depending on how your decimals are, it will give you like a breakdown even further to more random numbers. If you're interested in a random number between a certain range, so let's just say we have like 20 people here and we want to assign a random number. We're going to go ahead and hit rand between. And then let's just say 1 through 20. And then we're just going to autofill it right there. And it's just going to give a random number. You could do any number you want. I just picked 20. And that's how you randomize a list or have randomized numbers in Google Sheets. This works great for randomly selecting names, creating random groups, changing an order, or just picking a random winner. If this video does help you out, please drop a like. Consider subscribing if you're new. Peace. Thank you so much. Have a good one.